A very happy evening to all. Thank you for joining into the session. In the last class, we have completed day 1. In the day 1, we have done very major steps such as installation of Microsoft C++, followed with installation of VirtualBox, followed with downloadation of Kali Linux OVA file. And we have seen a lot of very important topics such as confidentiality, integrity, and availability, authenticity, and non-repudiation. All of these things yesterday we have been learned. Today we'll be going some more ahead of these topics. Before going into the next topics of today, I just want to open the floor for queries. If anyone having any issues, any queries, or else if you want to talk, please raise your hand, or else you can chat in the chat box as per your comfortability. I can wait for 10 or 15 more seconds for your queries. If there is no queries, I'll start the session. In the last class, we have been stopped in the CH hacking methodology. So kindly please make a note in your notebook. Keep the heading as CH hacking methodology. Write down step number 1 is footprinting. Write down step number 1 is footprinting. What is meant by footprinting? For example, you want to go from your home to any nearest location, like your bank. Okay, you can go by walk, you can go by any vehicle. After doing all the works in the bank, again you will be redirected to your home. So in between, what will be there? Your footsteps will be there. Correct? In the meanwhile, if you take the example of hacking, so whatever you are taking the steps from now until you are gaining the access of a target device, no one will be noticing that there are some footsteps in digitally and they will be trying to do hacking. But you need to keep in your mind that there will be a digital footprints whatever you are doing. So obviously, once all your goal has been reached like hacking, and you will be leaving the device of the target, after that, if the candidate has given any police station complaint upon you, that means any device has been hacked upon there. So immediately, in the police forensic investigation of the digital footprinting, they will be taken out, so that they can get to know that from which place, from which device, who is the hacker has been trying to do hacking this target device. Okay. So in the same way, everything will be recorded. Yes, of course, no people will be keeping noting of all these things, but make sure everything will be recording as a digital footprints while doing hacking. So those things can be recorded. That is called footprinting. So point number 2, that is scanning. Before starting any hacking process, first of all, you need to scan. What, sir? What I need to scan? For example, your target is to scan me. That means your target is me. That means my laptop or else my device, whatever it may be. So what you will be doing? You need to observe first me. That means who is this guy, where he is working, what is his role, at what time he will be going to office, what time he will be coming from office, how much time he will be sitting in front of laptop, and what is his job role. Like this, you need to physically scan a person. In the same way, here also, if you want to hack any server such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, whatever it may be, or else your friend Wi-Fi, or else your friend PC, whatever, take any device. First, you need to know where is that server located, what is the server IP, what are the ports are being opened on that server, what are the services are been running, So like this, each and everything you need to do scanning. Okay, that is step 2. So don't worry, everything we will be covering once we start actual topic of CH hacking methodology. It's just a theory. Okay, just for your reference, please make a note in a single line. Got it? Point number 3, enumeration. So until now, whatever you are doing scanning, imagine you got to know some details about the server. After getting some details such as, let's take an example of facebook.com. You can reach facebook.com into different ways, such as, for example, if I open any browser and if I go to facebook.com using domain name, I have been accessed the facebook.com web page like this. So I'll copy the domain name. Simply, I'll copy the domain name from here and can do enumeration from my command prompt. Got it? Such as, I'll try to reach the same facebook.com from the terminal. I mean, here we'll be calling as command prompt. Okay, ping space, domain name. Just simply click on enter. Here you are able to see the IP address. Until today, we are able to reach Facebook via browser by using domain name. For example, a hacker want to target about the facebook.com and his goal is to compromise that Facebook. So he need to check in multiple ways, such as what is the IP address, what is the domain name, what are the ports are open, and how we can go further. Okay, so here also simply we can copy the IP address like this, and if I paste the IP address in any browser in the next tab, go to proceed now. So here, are you able to see the Facebook logo? That means this IP is belongs to Facebook. Then sir, why we are getting sorry something went wrong? Because Facebook is a very vast organization. Obviously, they know how hackers will be thinking. So that is the reason why they will be writing some rules on their server, such as if any person are trying to access facebook.com via IP address, don't give access to them. Like this, they will write some rules. For example, let's take one more example. Is ping google.com. Here I have been seen one more IP address of google.com. So what I'll do, I'll just copy, I'll just paste it here. Are you able to see here? I'm getting the Google page. So here what you need to understand, every normal people will access Google, Facebook, Instagram, whatever the website may be, by using browser, by using domain names. But as a hacker, you need to understand background there will be a server. If at all there is a server, there will be an IP address. If at all there is an IP address, you need to get the IP address via different ways. Okay. After getting the IP address, you need to do cross checking. This all the steps are comes under enumeration. Got it, my dear friends? Any doubts until here? If at all any doubts you are having, please raise your hand, or else you can feel free to talk with me, chat, else whatever it is, fine. So I'm just not showcasing you very in detailly. I'm just showcasing you what is the exact one-line definition of all these points, because this is our whole training session. We need to spend a lot of hours on all of this. Okay, done. What is the next step? That is vulnerability analysis. Vulnerability analysis. If we want to check what is meant by vulnerability analysis, that means coming to the same example again. So here I can able to see there is a login form. Okay, there is a login form here. Here we need to type our credentials like this. I mean my username followed with any password. So something I have typed. Okay, but instead of typing my password, if I type here any special characters like this or special characters like this, or else special characters, anything like this, or else like this, whatever it may be. And if I click on simply login, in this case scenario, it will throw an error that we are not able to find your account, or else the credentials are wrong. But whatever we are checking like this by putting some special characters, if at all we have been logged into my account without the password, that means there is a vulnerability exists in the web application. Understood? Got it, my dear friends? So whatever we are trying, testing and trial, okay, test and trial like this. Whatever we are testing and trial for the vulnerabilities, just to know whether there is a loophole or not. This process is called vulnerability analysis. Every common people will be typing their username, will be typing their password and going into login. But as an ethical hackers or else penetration testers, we should not do like this. We need to test is there any vulnerabilities there or not if I give any special symbols. Got it, my dear friends? Please don't get confusion. Let me know if at all you are stuck anywhere. That is called vulnerability analysis. Then what is remember system hacking? This is the actual part and this is our goal. To reach this goal, all these steps are compulsory. Understood? All these steps are very compulsory. Okay. So to gain our system access, to breach a system, to hack a system, here system means don't think that only computer, the system or device or else any electron device. If I'm speaking, imagine that the same formula will be applicable. That means the same steps will be applicable for every device. That is a laptop, that is a mobile, that is any network device, what is a server, what that is a CCTV camera, whatever it may be. Okay. Hacking any device need to follow these 4 steps: 1, 2, 3, 4. In these all 4 steps, if you are successful, then only you can able to successfully hack a device, or else you will be fail in that process. Okay. System hacking means gaining access, maintaining access, and clearing tracks. So clearing tracks, this is the word we have been discussed about in the footprinting step. Got it? Digital footprinting means we need to clear our footprints. Understanding? Whenever we are going digitally by one step away, one step away, one step away to reach our destination, after putting one step away, then we need to clear the back step. Again, after clicking on one step away, we need to clear a back step. Like this, we need to clear our tracks and then we need to go forward. Whenever we are coming from back to front or front to back, wherever you are going digitally, you need to clear your tracks. If you are not clearing your tracks, then cybercrime forensic people can easily catch you in such like that way. Understanding? So that is the reason why I have been told, I have been kept 10 to 15 minutes in this topic only, just to explain what is my footprinting. So here, if you want to successfully hack a system or else any device, you need to follow 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps. Then only you can able to successfully hack. Understood, my dear friends? Coming to types of hackers. Okay. Coming to types of hackers. Before going into types of hackers, let's do a small practical. Then let's go into types of hackers. Okay. So always you sitting in front of laptop and just listening me, that will not make you interest to feel to learn. Obviously, you'll lose the interest. So that is the reason why. Wherever the practical needs to be done, I'll showcase you. You just follow my steps. Wherever you need theory, I'll let you know. Just write down those theories things. I hope you understanding and following my steps, my dear friends. Yes. Let's start a small practical. Please follow my steps very carefully. If you struck anywhere, let me know immediately. So if you have remembered, if you have remembered, we have been downloaded our Kali Linux. Understood? Yesterday in the Firefox, we have been downloaded our Kali Linux zip file. How many people have done? So if you have downloaded that Kali Linux, then only you can able to perform now, or else you can't do it, because we are loading that Kali Linux into VirtualBox right now. Got it, my dear friends? So let's start practical now. So this is my downloaded file, Kali Linux. So what I do, this is my downloaded file. I'll copy or else I'll simply drag to my desktop just for my remembrance only. You don't do like this because I have a lot of files. So just for my remembrance, this is my Kali Linux here. So what you need to do after downloaded, you need to unzip. Right click, click on extract all. So whatever the location you want, you can give it. Here I'm giving the same location in the C drive. So just click on extract. So it takes some time, my dear friends. It takes some time. So we need to wait for some time. And it will take minimum of 15 GB approximate. So it takes some time. So we need to wait. And in the meanwhile, I will showcase you after extracting what you will be able to see. Okay, because we can't wait here. Okay, after extraction complete, what you will be able to see is, you will be able to see in such a way like this picture. Okay, in the orange color, in the orange color you will be able to see this icon. For example, let's check me out if at all anything is there. See, I have already there. Yes, exactly. So in my already case, extraction is also completed in my case. That means previously I have done. So I'm showcasing that. In your case, you will be able to see one blue color icon, one orange color icon. Okay, one blue color icon, one orange color icon. Before clicking on this any icon, first of all, open your virtual box like this. After opening the virtual box, then click on the orange color. Okay, here we need to select virtual box. So in my case, I am not able to see because it is already present, but we have an alternate so that we can able to click on blue color right now. So now it will be redirected to VM or else SC. So in my case, it is already present, so it's showcasing an error. So no need to worry. AMD file. Let's go. Wait, give me a second, my dear friends, because as it is already present in my virtual box, it is showcasing an error. So what we'll be doing is, so until this extraction completed, let's go on to the theory itself only because it takes some time. So right now we can't do anything. Okay, let's say it is taking a little bit more time. So until that time, you also can do the extraction, so that in your case also extraction will start in the background, and in the front ground we can start our, we can continue our topic. Okay, so kindly please make a note. Types of hackers. Types of hackers. The very most important and dangerous hacker is a black hat hacker. We'll be calling them as crackers or else criminals. Okay, so black hat hackers are the people who will learn ethical hacking first, later on due to their psychological defect or else due to their circumstances, they will be becoming as black hat hackers. Whatever the hacker you become, the process of learning is same, but usaging your method, your knowledge, your skills in a good way, you'll become a white hat hacker. In a bad way, you'll become a black hat hacker. That's it. So please, I encourage, don't involve in these black hatting things, or else you'll be going into jail, something else like this. Please don't keep your life into risk. Kindly become a white hat hacker and ethical hacker. That will be very good for you as well as your organization. Okay, done. So yes, please make a note, my dear friends. Black hat hacker or the crackers, individuals with extraordinary computer skills utilizing for malicious or destructive activities. I have already told you, they will be having a lot of skills as you in future, but utilizing these skills in the wrong way, those people are called black hat hackers. Then what is white hat hackers? Individuals utilizing the same hacking skills for defensive purpose. They are called security analyst. So I am a security analyst. You may also become a security analyst in future if you learn very good skills, gaining good skills. I will guide you obviously. So white hat hacker means he is also same hacker having the same skills. No way that it will be changeable the skills, but using those skills for the goodwill, then those are called white hat hackers. Gray hat hackers, individual who work both offensively and defensively at various times, such as imagine there is a person morning he is going to office as a cybersecurity analyst. He is working under one organization. After coming from office, his mind is thinking to destroy his friends, destroy some other organization, or something else fishy. Okay, so one person trying to act as a two persons. One is for offensive, one is for defensive. One is like a black hat hacker, one is like a white hat hacker. So this multiple disorder, one person is called a gray hat hacker. So please don't become as a gray hat hacker also. Try to become as a only white hat hacker. Keep your mind only in one sentence, such as you are an ethical hacker, you are a security analyst. That's it. Don't change your mind into wrong way. That is one small personal suggestion to everyone. So the next one is suicide hackers. Individual who aim to bring down the critical infrastructure for a cause and are not worried about the punishment. For example, now you are trying to hack a Google server. By any chance, you have successfully hacked the Google server and you have just shut down. Okay, in the demonstration, I have shown you already DOS attack. What is DOS attack? If there is nothing a hacker can be doing, then too, due to his psychological disorder, he will break that system by putting that server into breakdown. Okay, that is called DOS attack. So here also in the same situation, a individual who will not think about the future case, about the punishment by the cops or else whatever it may be, whatever he want to do, he will do as a black hatter. Got it, my dear friends? Those are called suicide hackers. Script kiddies, very funny. Unskilled hackers who compromise their systems by running small scripts or tools or any software developed by real hackers. For example, I want to showcase you a small website here. I think a lot of people may be aware of GitHub, correct? I think a lot of people may be aware of GitHub. Cyber security tools. So what this GitHub will be having is just a repository. That means it's just a platform where any people can load or else save their tools for the future purpose or else to share to any people or just to project them as a cyber security analyst. Okay. So here there is a person called Mohit Mishra 786. Okay. This is his tool. Okay, just give me a second. Here I'm getting an error. What is it? Okay, let it be. Yes. So here he has built one tool called reverse bytes. Okay, reversing bytes. And there is one more person called Sock Monkey, and his tool is security reference guide. So what the script kiddies will do, they will simply download, click on this tool. They will simply download like this. See, download zip. They will simply download like this. And they will use these tools and they will be behaving as I am the hacker. Okay, they will behave like they are hackers, but really they don't have any knowledge. They are simply downloading the tools from the internet. They will do some enumeration. I mean, they will do some research how to use the tool and they will use it. Understood? But here there is no full-fledged skill upon them. They are just behaving like they are hackers. So those are called script kiddies. So my good suggestion is don't become as a script kiddies. Try to become as a ethical hacker. Build your own tools. I will guide you by using AI in our upcoming sessions. Okay. Build your own tools. Become as a researcher. Keep your tools like this in the GitHub, but don't use already built tools. Okay. By someone else. And cyber terrorist. Individuals with wide range of skills motivated by religious or political beliefs to create fear by the large scale distribution of computer network. That means very simple. You may see in your life or else in your news that a small people, children's terrorists are taking these people and joining in some terrorist groups and making them as a terrorist. I think you may have seen, okay, in news or somewhere else. In the same manner, here also, they will select some people, they will motivate these people in the behalf of religious or the politics, and they will change their mind, but they will showcase how to learn the hacking. So they will use these people to do hacking upon different countries. Understood? Those are called cyber terrorists. Okay. Please don't encourage all these things, my dear friends. Just know how many types of hackers are there and just leave it from your mind. Okay. And hacktivist, individuals who promote a political agenda by hacking, especially by defacing or disabling website. I think this word defacing website, yesterday I have shown you in the example of hacking UPSC website. Correct? Here also, political parties will hire some hackers in the background and they will tell that hack so and so websites which is belongs to so and so political parties or else so and so organizations which belongs to the countries, and these people will tell to these cyber security people such as deface their websites and put our own terrorist groups or else our own web page. Okay, so these are called hacktivists. Then what is government sponsored? Individuals, employees by government to penetrate and gain top secret information. In simple terms, one country will hire some people and they will make these people as the hackers, and they will train these hackers to do hacking on different countries just to steal the very confidential data of the remaining countries. So these are called government sponsored. So please make a note all these things. How many types of hackers are there? What is their job? My good suggestion to everyone, please become an ethical hacker or else white hat hacker. Please don't see all these things. That's it about these slides. Okay. So here, let's see the practical. I think, yes, here. It is unzipped, my dear friends, in my case. Just click on this unzipping file. Again, click on Kali Linux file. You'll be able to see these two things. Now, directly click on the blue color icon. Double click on the blue color icon. Immediately, it will create Kali Linux in your case, like this. How in my case, in your case also. Done. Completed. Very simple, right? Downloading Kali Linux from internet is simple, and loading that Kali Linux into your VirtualBox is much more simple. Just double clicking on the blue color icon, then here you can able to see your icon. Just click on start button. You can able to start Kali Linux. Okay, let's start the Kali Linux. Let's start the Kali Linux, my dear friends. So, as in my case, I can't move ahead today's session because due to my weather conditions, my laptop is getting shut down, my dear friends. After showing this turning on Kali Linux, let's wrap the session today here itself. Okay, apologies is regretted very much. Sorry to everyone. And tomorrow we'll be continuing the session again. So right now I'll be showcasing you how we can turn on our Kali Linux, and tomorrow we will be continuing the session. So due to the rain conditions, I can't able to go ahead in this session today. Hope you all understand. So like this, in your case also, Kali Linux will start in the background or automatically logs folder will get generated. Don't get worried what's going on. Okay, in the background, logs will be generated. No need to worry. Just be very patient. That's it. Let's wait for some more time. Username will be Kali and password will be Kali. If I keep in between a colon, then immediately you need to understand that the left side, whatever you are seeing is a username, and the right side, whatever you are seeing is a password. Okay, don't include this colon into your username or the password. This is the username and this is the password. Okay, Kali will be the username and Kali will be the password. Got it, my dear friends? So for this, whatever you are downloading from the virtual box, the username will be Kali and the password will also be Kali. Yes. Write down Kali as a username and Kali as a password. That's it. Yes. In my case, Kali Linux is started. Okay. So like this, in your case also, Kali Linux will get start, my dear friends. So tomorrow we'll be continuing session from here. So as in my case, power is not there. I can't go ahead. Hope you understand all. Thank you so much for joining in the session. Have a nice day. This is Chinna signing off. Bye bye.